If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it to get our latest videos. Here's how you can download Spotify in India. Just open the web browser, go to Google and search for the Spotify APK. Now click the first search result. From here you can download the Spotify APK on your phone. Install this APK on your phone. After installing, open Google Play. Here you have to download a VPN. You can download any VPN. Here I'm going to download a Snap VPN, by which you can change your location. After you install it, just open the application. Here you can choose different countries, for example United States, and let it connect it. Wait for it. Okay, now it's connected. Now you can open the Spotify app. After you open the app, you can either sign up for free, or if you already have an account, you can log in. Here I already have an account, so I'll log into my account. Here you can type your email and password. You just need a VPN to log into Spotify account or create new account. Once if you log in, you can just delete the VPN. You don't need it anymore. Just to log in, you need a VPN. After that, you can delete the app. Just log in. Yeah, there you go. Now you can enjoy Spotify. You don't need a VPN anymore. You can just enjoy all the different musics from all over the world. All you need is an internet connection. You can listen to different types of music categorized by genres. You can also listen to radios, all the radio stations. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.